Hey guys, it's Shannon. We are actually headed towards Kirklands today. I have a little bit of a home renovation or update that we're working on right now, and I wanted to grab some supplies from Kirkland's Harvest Collection. We're gonna do a shop with me today, so I thought I'd bring you guys along so you can go into Kirkland's with me and see all of their awesome fall decorations. So let's head over. I always love walking into Kirkland's. They always have the most delicious, yummy, and fragrant smells from their candles and sachets, so I just really enjoy that. I usually make a trip or a lap around the entire store first just to see what catches my eye and what things I like and where things are before I start going through my list to find the things that I'm actually there for, even though I always end up with more than what I actually went in for. Even though I was at Kirkland's today to check out their fall harvest decor, their bright Halloween decor caught my eye, and I just thought it was so fun. This Hocus Pocus sign was one of my favorites because I have a coffee bar that has a little bit of the Hocus Pocus theme added into the fall decor, so this one was super cute. One of the must-find items on my shopping list today was a fall sign, and they had lots and lots to choose from. Another item on my shopping list was to find some hooks to go over the bench in the entry, and Kirkland's had lots of really cute options. Of course, I also had to check out Kirkland's Ray Dunn collection. I love that you can find top trends within Kirkland's Harvest collection, like their metallics, velvets, and buffalo check. I just love Kirkland's. It is one of my favorite go-to stores for decor. They always have great sales and deals. They also have coupons, and it's also actually my birthday month, so I got a special treat along with a special discount this month as well. I had so much fun shopping at Kirkland's. They had exactly what I wanted and needed for our new entryway to update it for fall. And I'm so excited to get home to show you all the goodies that I've got and show you how I have them displayed in our home. So here is a look at some of the items that I got at Kirkland's today. And the first thing I'll share with you is this beautiful hook and shelf wall unit. I needed something for this space above the bench, and this thing is the perfect size. It has plenty of hooks. I love that it has a shelf on the top, and I'm just so excited that Kirkland's had exactly what I was looking for that. And then down here are all the items that I'm going to use to decorate this area with for fall. And the first thing is this really pretty pumpkin pillow that says "Welcome to our pumpkin patch," and has really cute plaid pumpkins, kind of like a burnt orange, subtle orange, and tan color, so I really liked that for the bench. And then also I found this garland. It's like pumpkins on jute, and they have the same plaid on them, on the pumpkins, that the pillow did. So I thought it was a really great way to tie all of this look together. And then you guys voted on this on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you can find me at TheDailyDIYer. And I polled you guys whether you liked this coffee mug or one that said "Hello Pumpkin." And at the time, you guys actually chose this one, but I think it's swayed the other way now. But I love this coffee mug. It's really big, super cute. And then next is this amazing sign. This is like my favorite thing I think of all, because it is not wood, it is a metal sign. So it's kind of that enamel look. And then I love that it has the little touch of green and orange on it, so it pulls a little bit of color. It's not just plain white and black. So I love that sign. It's gonna go on this guy up here. And then the other two things that I got are these cute wicker baskets. They had them with these monograms on the front. However, I'm just gonna turn them around because the backs are plain and use them without the monograms. And the bottom has this gorgeous galvanized metal detail on them. So I love that extra little touch. And they're the perfect size to fit underneath our bench for putting shoes and hats and gloves and that kind of thing in. So that is a look at my haul. And now I'm going to style it all so you can see it all put together. It was easy to hang this metal sign. I just used a command hook. It was nice and light, so it was easy to hang. And then I also just slid those two wicker baskets underneath the bench. Like I said, they were the perfect size and fit under here just right. Pillow was rectangle just like the bench, so I liked the way that looked there. And then I added that garland to the hooks to tie all of it together. And here is a look at the updated entryway for fall, thanks to Kirkland's Harvest Collection decor. The new entry feels so warm and cozy now thanks to all the new fall decor, but it also still feels very fresh and bright, which is a great feeling for our kitchen. Let me know down in the comments below, what is your favorite item to shop for at Kirkland's? I think I enjoy shopping for those candles the most just because it's so fun to smell the different scents and pick my favorite. Thank you all so much for following me on this shopping trip to Kirkland's. I hope that this video inspired you. Make sure to give it a thumbs up for me. You can also share this video with your friends and family and inspire them too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can hit the bell too so that you get notified when my videos do go live. And I want to thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.